It is really coming down. It is raining hard in here. I don't think there is anything to do, really.
Could we get buckets, but
we should, well, should we stop it from here?
But it's just going to fill up and then...
Dang. Our other leak. That's just a leak. That's not raining like the back of the house. I don't see any others. I think those are the only two spots. That is the craziest thing.
Yeah, we locked it up pretty good. We drove it and we got That's bad.
Ooh, it stinks
We
too.
have to have 10 5-gallon buckets.
Because it's, look, it's just running. Can't believe all of it.